Hello, good morning everyone to whatever time you're in right now. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. So guys, I am Joshua Sabal, our brand, and also it's a family business and I'm the youngest in the family. So ako yung parang representative sa mga ganito, sa mga may pop-up, ganon-ganon. So Andot started as a hobby of my father, cycling. So, yung ginagawa niya sa Cebu kasi maliit lang yung community ng cycling before and most of the time lugi palagi yung mga event niya kasi it's more on helping the community, helping to make it bigger, to helping the local mga pros doon. So, what the overall through the years nagkasakit siya and sadly he passed away. So, what we did during the pandemic, we saw breakthrough, a very big breakthrough of the cycling community. So what we did, pumasok kami ulit sa cycling and until now, until 2020, until 2024, thankfully, hindi kami nazi-zero sa aming mga pop-up and also sa aming daily orders. Also, we have our Shopee and Andot Sports in TikTok also. Yung name ng Andot, nickname ng papa ko kasi yung papa ko is Fernando. Yung tawag ng mga kaibigan niya, Andot. Yun nga, nadala until nagiging brand name niya. Sadly, he wasn't able to witness kung gaano na siya level up. Kasi we've only released Andot officially mga 2 years. 2 years. So, grabe talaga yung pagbigay ng blessing ni Lord. Kaya nagamit din yung pangalan niya. Sayang lang din, di siya nakapag-witness talaga. Nakapagpunta dito, sayang.
Siguro po, winawash over niya rin.
Oh, yun nga. One of our proudest siguro na achievement sa buhay namin as a sibling siguro yung makapagpakita ka ng pangalan ng papa mo na lumalabas na sa ibang platform. Kaya maganda talaga.
Yung pong mga product niyo, saan po siya gawa?
Sa Cebu, we are locally made talaga. We've started 8 people lang. And now we are 55 and almost 24 hours na po yung production namin. Kasi grabe talaga yung support. Locally from most Visayas lang. We've just came here sa Manila noong last 6 months ago. Tas ngayon, ulit, grabe naman yung welcome ng mga tao dito. Grabe talaga. Kaya thank you sa mga Manila people, mga Manila cyclists. Salamat talaga.
Magkano po ba ang customers? Saka minimum po?
Yung customized namin starts at 450, 550, depende na lang. Tas nag-a-add kami if nagiging seamless, nagiging power band, gano'n na lang din. And minimum of 10 pieces, free na po yung, anong tawag nito, yung design fee. Nag-ship din kami. This one, ito po yung bagong release namin which is yung Apex Collection. Apex Collection siya, parang ginawa namin yung pinaka-premium level of cycling talaga. It was studied for almost 6 months before namin ni-release ito. So yung pattern niya, ganon. Triple pocket po siya sa likod. Yung mga fabrics niya, again, quality na po siya. And also, naka-seamless na siya. Naka-seamless na siya. Full seamless po siya. Also in the neck, bottom, and yung likod niya is naka-power band na po. Parang sobrang kapit talaga sa pan. And also, may partner siya. Yan, marami pong design. May partner siya in yung mga bib, which is nandito. Nandito. It has many colors. Also, naka-seamless din siya. Apex Collection po yung tinatawag namin. Ito po siya. Naka-reflectorize ang kanyang logo. Ano na po. And ito ang kanyang padding. Usually, padding lang kasi yung tinitignan ng mga cyclists. Yan. And also, meron ding ibang padding. Nagko-customize din kami. If ever gusto ng mga tao na magko-customize ng bib, nagko-customize din kami.
Meron po ba kayo na
To have women's cut, but in our jersey, nag-unisex lang kami. Since sumisikip naman talaga and stretchable yung fabric namin. Ito yung other one na yung tawag niya. Yung kanyang padding is different na din. Ito yung pinaka-apex talaga. We have version 1, version 2. Yeah. Our new collection. And also, we're into running na pala. We're into running. We have singlets and t-shirts. Yung mga gamit natin is the same fabrics na ginagamit yung mga malalaking brand. I won't say but yung mga malalaking brand. And also regarding with the women a bib, we have the shorter one which is the only difference. shorter yung kanyang dito, yung bilahan.
So mga magkano po yun?
Ito po is 17 down to 1575 na lang sa Manila ngayong Expo. Pero pag pinag-customize, 1650 na lang din. Yes. Yan po siya.
So sir, saan po pwede ma-reach out right now?
You can reach us out at Facebook or TikTok or Facebook or Andot Sports. Yan lang po, makikita nyo din po yan, Andot Sports. And also we have a community sa Facebook, maka-follow din kayo doon. Andot Sports Community, marami doon, sila Ma'am Yuri-san, lahat-lahat nagpo-post ng mga achievements nila, mga ilang KM na yung nagawa nila ngayon ng week. So very nice kasi that's what we are trying to do. And also, before I forget, yung main goal pala ni Andot is kaya anong barato? Cheap? Ano say barato? Anong barato? Kaya affordable kasi yung main slogan namin is Andot for all. Andot for all, kahit sino, mayaman, pulube, kahit sino, construction worker, CEO ka pa, simpleng tao, kayang-kaya. Kaya yun yung goal namin. The best quality for all the best people talaga. Kaya walang pinipiling karakter, wala pinipiling dyan. As long as bibili ka, may pera ka, honest to God lang, okay, yan na yan. Yan. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Joshua from Andot. Thank you.